Hello, my dear sweetheart subscriber. Welcome back to my channel, GL Manwa. Kiss me in the dark of night. So let's get started. Is Soumi Manwa is master coming to eat with us? She can't come out right now. I'll take it to her in a bit. She can't come out. Twitches. That's really bad. Professor Pei, while I was cooking, Zhang Lai told me that you wanted to talk to Chunyi about folklore. I'm so sorry, but it looks like you won't be able to meet her this time. If you don't mind, you can chat with me instead. Miss Lu is also interested in folklore. I've spent so many years with Master Chunyi, so I should at least know a few things about what she researches. Otherwise, we wouldn't have much to talk about. Professor Pei's temperament is very similar to one of my former clients. Really, this is the first time I've heard that I resemble someone. I don't know why, but Professor Pei seems very familiar. It seems we were destined to meet, and I rarely feel that way about someone I've never met before. It's an honor to have the opportunity to meet Miss Lu. Professor Pei is only in her 30s, but has already been awarded tenure. That's truly admirable. If Miss Lu keeps praising me, I'll get too full of myself. Auntie Lu keeps emphasizing that she may have met Professor Pei before, but why isn't she sure? The atmosphere is Dotso dash tense exclamation mark. The atmosphere between these two is a little off. Professor Pei, there must be something up with her, right? Otherwise, why would Auntie Lu care so much? The master has collected many classic books. After dinner, Professor Pei can come to the study and look. Many of these copies are unique and numerous history. Professors and university students have visited to look at them before. They will definitely be of interest to Professor Pei. You too can find a room to rest in. I want to share a room with Zhang Lai. The inn has dozens of rooms, just choose one for yourself. I can't stand sleeping with you while you're spread out like a starfish. No way, I can't sleep alone in a new place. But not being able to sleep in new places has nothing to do with me, right? Anyway, tonight I'm going to sleep by myself. I can finally relax and sleep. When I get back, I'm replacing the bed with two single beds. That brat's sleeping posture is just too awful. Why do I keep thinking about her? Who are you thinking about behind my back? Pauses. Dave, how did you get in? What would that door lock even be able to keep out? Are you a criminal? You were clearly lost in thought about some random woman and didn't hear the ack. I'm going to punish you. What right do you have to punish me? I wasn't thinking about other women, I was thinking about you. Ichake. You were in bed, thinking about me. Jianglei. What? I want to kiss your lips. You can kiss me all you want. Why do you have to announce it? No, oh no, wait. What I meant was you should just do it spontaneously like before. Ah, no, that's not it either. Panic, panic. Just don't say it out loud. Your body is so soft. Didn't you say it didn't feel good in your hands? A little, but it's still soft. Jiang Lai, what's wrong? Your blood smells so sweet. You want to bite me? Do you really want to bite me? It's finally over. This feels so suffocating. I'll hold back, including kissing you. You don't like it when I tease you. What the hell did Auntie Lou feed you that made you become mature? Really? Am I more attractive now that I'm more mature? Meow. Or when I just don't say anything? Go to sleep. I can't sleep. You keep talking about the headmaster, but where is she? The mountains. Where in the mountains? The mountains in the mountain. Stop messing with me. The headmaster will be returning from the mountains soon. You'll see her when the time comes. Besides, you're a vampire and she's a powerful mage. It's best to avoid her. Is she strict? Yeah, she's very strict. My master is afraid of her. She's been in seclusion for 3 years. In short, she's not the kind of approachable person you might imagine. No problem. Because you and Master Chunye have such an awkward relationship, I'm really looking forward to meeting the headmaster. Jung Lai, what's wrong? Actually, I've been thinking lately that it doesn't matter if we can break the contract. I just like being with you. I'll be a good vampire and resist the urge to suck blood. I'll even be your cheap labor because I really like Jiang Lai. Even if you're not honest at all, I still like you. Although I've lost a lot of memories, I'm not that interested in retrieving them now. I have a vague feeling that understanding the past won't make me happy. I just want to create new memories with Jiang Lai. Jiang Lai, do you still want to help me pass on to the afterlife? You won't answer? If you won't answer, it means you don't want to. You actually like me back, don't you? Stop being so narcissistic and stop hugging me out of nowhere. No way, our contract won't let me stop. Jiang Lai, the more awkward you are, the more I like you. Ha ha ha! Mrs. Liu and Master Chunyi. In a romantic relationship, we used to be. Used to be. Actually, I find it difficult to associate a powerful businesswoman in finance with someone studying folklore. By the way, Mississippi. Liu, could I borrow this book on the history of the Song dynasty and take it home to read? I'll have to ask Master Jiang. I'll give you an answer tomorrow. Professor Pei, please sit down and have a cup of tea. Okay. It's clear to me that Professor Pei really loves history. Yes, learning from the past is important. However, due to many internal and external reasons, it's difficult for humanity to put their knowledge to practice and truly learn from history, right? Learning from history does not mean copying history, but rather identifying patterns and conditions. A lesson is more like a mirror, not a template. For example, the peaceful border maintenance policy, adopted after the Chanyuan conflict between the Song and Liao dynasties, was based on learning lessons from the wars during the Five Dynasties period. The calculation of marginal cost and opportunity cost for modern enterprises is also making the same trade off. However, this also resulted in the Southern Song dynasty's excessive adherence to its old ways. A person's risk preference in a given situation can cause rational models to deviate. Mrs. Liu also seems to have a good understanding of history. Likewise, Professor Pei also has great insights into finance. Haha, I only learned the basics from watching your interviews. Mississippi. Liu. Professor Pei, do you believe in reincarnation? I do. The more I study history, the more I realize that human experiences are cyclical across generations. The concept of reincarnation in folklore may not be a theory of the soul per se. Haha, sorry, as a university professor, I really shouldn't say that. It's okay, I just sometimes have this illusion, a feeling of deja vu when I see certain people. Professor Pei really resembles one of my former business partners, to the point where I'm wondering if you have the same ancestor. Ms. Liu mentioned that several times today, so I guess I really do resemble someone you know. I'm sorry, I didn't mean anything by it. It's hard for me to forget a beautiful woman. Ha ha, thank you for the compliment, Mississippi. Lo, I need to go see Master Young and ask about lending you the book. Professor Pei, please make yourself at home. Can you let me out? It's too damp here. Aren't you afraid I'll get rheumatism when I'm old? You have to agree to two conditions. Say them. First, move in with me. Second, no more drinking alcohol, especially cooking wine. That was really freaky. I brushed my teeth. It was still so strong that you could taste it. Yes, especially since you drank scallion and ginger cooking wine. I would have vomited if I didn't love you enough. These two conditions. I'll agree to anything as long as you let me out. Deal. I only agreed to move in with you. I didn't agree to anything else. Let go of me. Chuni, I haven't slept in ages. Can't you be a little kinder to me? The insomnia was caused by a mistake you made during your spiritual practice. If there was a mistake in my practicing, then I wonder who could have influenced it. Do you know how damaging sleep deprivation can be to the body? The matter of spiritual practice. I'm sorry. From now on, I'll leave the task of warming the bed to you, O cow. Although it's true that I affected her spiritual cultivation, I was also injured by demons at the time. It's not like I begged her to save me. I was just subjected to things this afternoon, and now she's going to do those things to me again? Lie down in the middle, more half of your body is hanging off the edge of the bed. Why is she dressed so seductively? You're not as soft as the life-size body pillow I ordered. Life-size body pillow. What the hell? Warming the bed must have meant that I'm going to be tortured again. Facing death with equanimity. Come on, I'm ready. Huh. Go to sleep. That's it. Click. That's it. This is the for first time I've slept in the same bed as her since we broke up. What happens if I'm too nervous to sleep? Didn't I tell you to move closer to the middle? It's fine. I like sleeping like this. Wraps around that back. Relax your body organ. I'll use my own methods to make you. You wouldn't have said something like that before. No matter what I say or do. Won't you always like it? No way. Mumbles, don't you think you're being sleazy? I want to switch up my style and figure out which one you find the most irresistible. You might be shy, but you're stubborn. Winning you over is more difficult than winning over the CEOs of the financial world. Why do you insist on hanging yourself on my tree? I am the tree. Huh? Plant demons sure as something else. Mumbles. By the way, do you have a magical artifact that your master gave you that allows you to see soul fluctuations? The heart reflector. Yes, I have it. Do you need it? No, I just need you to use it on Professor Pei tomorrow. Zhang Lai brought her over. You suspect she's not human. But what is there to doubt? Whether she's human or demon, you don't need a magical artifact to tell. She's a human. Then I don't understand what you're trying to do. At the end of the Ming Dynasty, a woman sold me a painting. The person in the painting looked exactly like Clark. Even though the woman who sold it to me looked completely different from Professor Pei. For some reason, I really feel like I've seen Professor Pei before. I'm wondering if Professor Pei is the reincarnation of that woman. You want to confirm whether Professor Pei's soul fluctuations are the same as that woman's? Yes. If the fluctuations are the same, then we need to figure out her motives for appearing in front of Zhang Lai. I understand. Fix your pajamas. Oh, my clothes are so obedient that they started removing themselves. You kiss. Are you really this horny, Han? How many times until you're satisfied? This is the result of your own actions. How could I possibly unleash all the desires I've accumulated over the years in just a day? From this day forward, I'll be collecting the debt you owe daily. So if you ever want to escape from me again, you'd better think about the price you'll pay if I catch you again. Xiao Chunyi, learn from history. Can you stop messing around? If you're going to collect my debt, then collect it already. I want to go to sleep. Hey guys, let's see what happens next. Thank you so much for supporting me. And please like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.